Hi everyone, Nancy with Ash's Treasure, and I add homesteading and gardening. Today we're having an egg salad, making bread. So later on people will have egg salad sandwiches. But I just want to show you what I'm doing. We did 6 eggs. I cut up some bread and butter pickles, and purple onion is a red onion, some peppers, and 2 garlic cloves. And we're using Follow Your Heart vegan mayonnaise. Yes, we're having eggs. I still don't know what's going on with my fingers, but I did see a nurse practitioner the other week, and she said it is not eczema. It's something I'm coming in contact with because it's only on my hands. Yeah, I have tried everything. I have cut out eggs, I've cut out vinegar, I've cut out soy. I've changed from using the tap water to using spring water for everything, and it still comes back. So, I got ketchup on the wall. So, someone just got ketchup on the wall. I'm sorry. I had to giggle because it's funny. It'll come off. It's alright. But we have a lot of things going on. I'm making some bread. I'm keeping my fingers crossed because yesterday's bread just kind of and it didn't bake all the way. Yesterday was not a good day for bread or rolls or anything. So hopefully today we have a little bit more going on. And I will be uploading a video about our garden. I've done some transfers. I've added some stuff. And we're really excited, and I've got to go tonight and get some more garden soil for bedding or something. They say it's for bedding or for containers. So I'm doing a container garden. So, oh yes, so much fun. And little one, she had a blast playing in the dirt yesterday, and so she's really excited to show how to garden and everything and transfer plants. She had a ball. So we will be doing a video with that later on this evening. But yes, a lot of things going on in the kitchen today. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, and give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below or just say hi. So we thank you for stopping by and visiting us at Ash's Treasure. You have a wonderful day.